What? Wait, I'll hit you back. Yo, Mom! I'm going to the lake for a drink.
Okay, kid. Okay, go ahead.
Please like and subscribe.
Whoa, I changed color. Wow, I gotta tell everyone. Mom, I had water and changed color. Come with me, I'll show you.
Okay, baby, I'll come.
Mom, this is the lake I drank water from. You should try it.
Yeah, I definitely will. Oh my gosh, I changed color too.
No, you can't drink first. What? Hey, why are you hitting me? Wait, I'll hit you back.
Yo, where are you going? I'm starving. Need some food.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Hey guys, we got intruders. Let's scare them off.
What?
Bonk.
What?
Hey, they're running away.
Yes, boss.
Go! 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 Go!
Give us a thumbs up.
Oh no! What?
Whoa, I think we got superpowers. Yeah, me too. Let's check it out.
You go check inside.
Please like and subscribe. bored out of my mind. Let's hit the outdoors for a sec. Yeah, man, let's roll.
Come on, you pathetic calves. With your help, I'm gonna wreck your whole farm. You guys want to score some sweet treats?
Hell yeah, boss. We're in.
All right. You clowns hide somewhere. I'll give you the green light.
This place is straight up sketchy, yo.
Don't freak out, fellas. I ain't gonna hurt you.
For real, this place is creeping me out.
Yeah, there's a wolf crew here. I'll get you back to your farm.
What?
Oh, thanks, man. Let's do this.
All right, boss. Let's go, crew.
Attack. Come on, charge, idiots. What the hell? I said attack.
There's some beefy cows and horses on the farm, boss.
I'm the king of the jungle, fool.
You're in the wrong neighborhood, pal. Get lost.
Don't mess with me. I'll wipe you all out.
Gang, let's pile into that sweet ride over there. Oh snap, looks like Mr. Buffalo's taking a detour. Yo, peep this. We got a rainbow of critters chilling on the farm. Time to wrangle up these party animals. Hey, buddies. Mosey on over here, pretty please. Gang, let's pile into that sweet ride over there. Everyone cozy? Ready to hit the road? Oh snap, looks like Mr. Buffalo's taking a detour. Yo, Buffalo, hustle over, buddy. Time to board the truck. Nice, that's the spirit. Off to our pad we go. Hey crew, show some love to our fresh faces on the farm.
Wow! The cows are at the lakeside.
Another peaceful day, Daisy? Yes, Mom. Okay, let's go back.
What?
Oh
Haha! Today, you both are our feast. We will kill you.
No, please don't kill us. Kid, we need to get out of here.
What?
Oh, the tigers are chasing the cows. The cows are running for their lives.
Mom, they're catching up. Hold on, Daisy. There's a cave up ahead.
Wow!
Ah! There's nowhere to go now!
Are you ready for round 2?
Yes, Mom. I am ready.
What in the wild is this? Oh, colored cows come out of the magic portal.
Don't underestimate the power of color cows.
Hey, welcome to our farm. Wow, we have 3 cows in different colors. We have other animals too.
What?
Hey guys, look at them.
Please like our videos, thanks.
3 cows in 3 different colors. So funny.
What? Hey!
The 3 cows go by the lakeside to have some water. The animals follow them. Hey, see, they are here too. They are making fun of us. We should leave this place. The cows leave the farm. And stop under the tree. Let's take some rest here. Oh, the wild bear is here.
Give us a thumbs up.
Oh, she's going to attack the cows. Oh, they're shocked and they flee. The bear is chasing them. Guys, where are you? The cows relax for some time. Oh, there are monkeys on the top of the tree. Oh, the cows are attacked again by the monkeys.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
This place seems to be no good. Let's go somewhere else. Oh, that's the king of the jungle. I'm feeling so hungry. I think I should have some food. Oh, the lion sees the cows now. And the cows run away. The lion is chasing the cows. The cows enter a colorful smoke.
What?
Oh, the lion is petrified with the colorful smoke and flees back. Oh, that was quite a mess. Yeah, thankfully we are back to our place. Hey, did you see that? You have retained your color. Wow, yeah, you too. Oh, great. Hey guys, look at them. Our friends are back. Hey cowies, we are happy to see you back. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, wow. What a breathtaking waterfall. The day begins for the rabbits, bison, and cows. It is grazing the cow. Well, the cow is observing. She approaches it with her friends. Over the river they go. Oh my goodness, something is in those big containers. The cows are moving in that direction. Well, this seems like a tasty feast. They begin eating, huh? What? A cow develops purple color? Another cow changes color. What the heck is going on? This cow experienced no events. Oh, one more begins to tan. This is a bad development. The cows are unaware of that. Oh no, the brown one breaks down. The green cow now collapses. What's happening? Oh no, also the purple cow. That's not good. One cow leaves unaffected.
Hey, Sheepy, hi.
Hi, Pony. Where's Cowie?
She's relaxing under that big tree.
Ow, okay.
Oh my god.
What? Oh my!
Hey, fellas, what's up? There's a two-headed cow roaming around, and she's attacking all of us. Wow. That's terrible. Let's go and see fellas. Now, she is normal.
Yes, thanks, guys.
Now, let's move to your farm.